We guide you through how to get a new PayPal debit card quick and easy. So the first thing you need to do is to open your PayPal app or logging in on the PayPal website. Then go to your wallet section and look for PayPal debit card. Tap or click on Manage and choose Replace Card or Order Card, depending on your situation. Next, confirm your personal details, including your name and shipping address, to make sure everything is correct. Then, review the reason for requesting a new PayPal debit card and submit the request. PayPal will process it and you'll see confirmation on your screen. Once approved, your new PayPal debit card will be shipped to your address and usually arrives within a few business days. While waiting, you can still use PayPal Balance and link accounts for online payments. And when the card arrives, just activate it in the PayPal app under Wallet to start using for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and everyday spending.